Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to educate on Copaiba essential oil, and by the end of the video you'll be an expert on Copaiba, including 8 amazing ways to use it. I want to know how you use it, so please comment below. Now let's dive in. I'm Kelly, an occupational therapist and essential oil specialist. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of a new video uploaded. Stay to the end for downloadable metabolic recipes. Copaiba has a warm and woodsy, slightly sweet aroma with a hint of earthy yet spicy and balsamic notes. Some describe the scent as resembling honey, vanilla, and even caramel. Oil is derived from the resin of the Copaiba tree, which can grow upwards of more than 100 feet and can be found in Brazil. doTERRA's Copaiba contains 4 species of Copaiba, which make it very unique and most potent compared to other Copaibas on the market. Copaiba oil is widely used in your cosmetic products, including soaps, creams, lotions, and even perfumes. Since the 16th century, Copaiba essential oil has been utilized in traditional health practices by the natives in North and Northeastern Brazil. You may ask what chemical constituents make up Copaiba. Copaiba has the highest levels of B-caryopyline, BCP. BCP is a potent constituent within doTERRA's Copaiba essential oil, holding 2 to 3 times more BCP than CBD and 0 THC. Now you may be asking, why is this BCP important? Well, BCP selectively binds to CB2 receptors in your endocannabinoid system, which is the largest neurotransmitter system in our body. It is a signaling and regulatory system comprised of enzymes and receptor sites throughout the entire body. With the endocannabinoid receptors found within the whole body and all the major organs, the endocannabinoid system acts as a major regulatory of your health system. I'll link a video below about the endocannabinoid system to help you out. You might be asking, what are these CB2 receptors? Well, the CB2 receptors in the endocannabinoid system are particularly found within your immune system. So when Copaiba is consumed, the BCP binds to these CB2 receptors to aid healthy immune and inflammatory responses. How can we use Copaiba? Well, doTERRA's Copaiba has a nutritional label on the back, and this signals that we can take it internally. It can also be used aromatically and also put on topically. Let's go over some health benefits that Copaiba has and some research studies. There was a study in 2018 that compared the effects of massage with Copaiba essential oil and the blue essential oil in people with finger and joint problems. They found that when compared to massage with just plain coconut oil, the Copaiba and Deep Blue blend led to decrease in comfort and increase in finger strength and improved finger dexterity. Copaiba also influences multi-signal pathways to aid in a healthier liver, digestive, kidney, heart, and respiratory, and brain function. It also signals to nagging and overstimulated nerves to stop. Copaiba is widely used on many key organs because it is the ability to link directly to receptor sites. Now let's jump into those recipes. So first, add 1 to 2 drops to water, tea, or juice to support a healthy cardiovascular, immune, digestive, and nervous system, and also then your respiratory. You can also add ginger or fennel, which would also get a added boost of support. The second way is to apply topically, combined with a carrier oil or maybe even your facial moisturizer to help keep your skin clean, clear, help reduce any blemishes that may have accumulated. Now, the third way is to combine 1 to 2 drops with a small amount of water and swish it around in your mouth to freshen your breath and to also promote oral cleanliness. You can also add some wintergreen and use toothpaste. Now, the fourth way is to massage 2 to 3 drops into a desired sore area, either a muscle or tendon, maybe after a strenuous exercise or activity. And then you also top it off with some rosemary. The fifth way is to mix with a carrier oil and rub onto stressed skin for restorative benefits and blend with possibly rose or even frankincense. Sixth way is to place 1 to 2 drops of copaiba underneath your tongue to encourage a general sense of well being during periods of overwhelms and nervousness. Seventh way is to diffuse. It is important for healthy respiratory functions, along with you can combine it with breathe and peppermint eucalyptus. And then the eighth way is also to diffuse to promote restful sleep at night. I would combine cedar wood or another wood oil of your choice to blend. Now, thank you for making it to the end of this video. The next steps would be to download my metabolic recipes, sign up for a private essential oil made easy class. And if you found this to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.